The timing of this court hearing, the fight over Medicaid expansion has meaning for so many in our community, so many. So we're helping you understand how this impacts you and your neighbors, the healthcare system, and we'll show you who has already led by example.
First, a number of people in the metro are watching this closely because it could impact their household budget and their medical bills. 41 Action News reporter Mackenzie Nelson talked to them.
The people that I spoke with said they don't have a backup plan when it comes to health care coverage if Missouri Medicaid expansion does not move forward.
In an ideal world, I would like to see Medicaid expansion enacted and funded on July 1st when voters voted for it to be enacted.
It's the cost of health care that's impossible for Alice Nelms to afford. She's currently working as a temp, but as soon as the job ends in July, her benefits go with it.
It has me feeling extremely frustrated and angry because we're asking for basic health care.
After voters approved Medicaid expansion last year, the State General Assembly did not include the funding in the state budget. Following that decision, 3 Missouri residents filed a lawsuit against the state to push the expansion forward.
Missourians voted this into the Constitution, and we have a constitutional right to be covered under Medicaid expansion if we're eligible based on the expansion guidelines.
Now many people will be left without health care until the matter is settled in court. Nina Canalio has multiple sclerosis, works part-time, and would qualify for health care in Missouri's potential expansion.
I work at a grocery store, and it's just part-time. I have no benefits. I only make like $16,000 a year. Maybe with my new raise, if that.
Under the provisions, more than 200,000 Missourians would qualify for coverage. That includes people ages 19 to 64 with an income level at or below 133% of the federal poverty level. That's around $17,000 for a single person or around $35,000 for a family of 4.
I worked through the entire pandemic. I cleaned public toilets, in a grocery store. It's kind of a risky job. So, I was like, I will educate myself how I can keep myself safe since I don't have insurance.
Currently, Medicaid eligibility is set forth in state statute, but the amendment adds Medicaid expansion to the Constitution. Reporting in Kansas City, Mackenzie Nelson, 41 Action News.